The ThermicRoll spiraling door from Jamison BMP is fast, safe, and simple. It's fast, with an opening speed of up to 60 inches per second depending on size. It's safe, using an 8.5-foot high light curtain as standard presence detecting device. And it's simple by using a counterweight instead of springs, and using a routed groove instead of complex metal tracks. The spiraling door is a multi-use solution for a variety of commercial and industrial settings. Most features of the spiral door are customizable, including size, height, and type of panels. The ThermicRoll spiraling door is a great solution for small to large spaces and operates without the use of springs or complex track systems. With 3 header variations, a spiraling door can be created for most headroom clearances. ThermicRoll doors can be built for standard headroom and low headroom ceiling heights. The width of spiraling doors is also customizable, and heights can range up to 20 feet. The range of heights and widths allows you to be able to customize solutions to your business. The spiraling door comes in 3 different panel variations: solid with insulation, ventilated to allow airflow, or clear. The solid insulated panel fits most settings, while the ventilated option is common in areas such as parking garages that need both security and good ventilation. The clear panels are used for vision panels on the solid insulated doors, or as the primary panel in settings like service bays in auto dealerships. Windows are a great way to secure or block an opening while providing customers or employees a way to easily see past the door, making it more attractive in customer-facing settings. The ThermicRoll spiraling doors are the perfect fit for areas with limited side room. These doors are a unique high-performance solution for a wide range of customers and applications.